This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 4:37 p.m. Central Time, multiple emergency calls were received regarding a tall, humanoid creature emitting distorted siren noises in the insert location, Pine Ridge County area. The creature has been described as over 40 feet tall, thin, and equipped with two sirens where its head should be. Residents had reported hearing distant sirens that appear to move unnaturally fast and mimic voices of loved ones. Do not investigate the source of these sounds. Seek shelter immediately in a secure building. Avoid windows and do not respond to any voices outside. The Department of Defense has declared a state of emergency across the affected counties. Military response units are being deployed. Stay tuned for updates. This message will repeat until the threat has been contained. Remain indoors. This concludes this emergency alert system broadcast.